Calle Ruega Church. Close to nature, closer to God. Nestled in the serene hills of Nasugbu, Batangas, lies a sanctuary of peace and reflection. Welcome to Calle Ruega Church, a haven where nature, architecture, and spirituality converge. Named after Calle Ruega in Spain, the birthplace of Saint Dominic de Guzman, founder of the Dominican Order, Calle Ruega Church is more than just a place of worship. It is a retreat center, a botanical wonderland, and a testament to inspired architecture. Established in 1995, Calle Ruega was built with the vision to provide a place where people could reconnect with themselves and with God. The church and its surrounding retreat facilities are managed by the Dominican Father, who have preserved its original mission of contemplation and renewal. The church itself is a marvel of neo-Gothic architecture. With its towering spires and intricate stained glass windows, Calle Ruega Church evokes a sense of timeless beauty and spiritual grandeur. The design draws inspiration from medieval European churches, blending seamlessly with the lush Philippine landscape. Step inside and you are greeted by an ambience of solemnity and grace. The altar, adorned with religious icons and delicate carvings, invites you to pause and reflect. The stained glass windows depicting scenes from the life of Christ and the saints bathe the interior in a kaleidoscope of color, creating a divine tapestry of light and shadow. Beyond the main church lies the Transfiguration Chapel, a place of profound simplicity and serenity. Perched atop a hill, this chapel offers a panoramic view of the surrounding countryside, reminding visitors of the beauty and vastness of creation.
Good afternoon. I'm attorney Kishan Guillermo from Quirino Province, Region 2. Punta ako dito 5 years ago. I prayed for peace and clarity. And then I went back to the province. Doon ako nag-start mag-law school. And now I'm going back here to thank God, to pray, and to say my grace. Grace, my many thanks to God na binigyan niya ako ng blessing to be a lawyer.
Ako po si Rene, taga dito po sa Barangay Kailawan, Calle Ruega. Mula po ng tanangan ako, taga rito po talaga ako. Wala ito noong 1995. Ano daw? Milagroso yata. Saka marami na papakasal dyan, kahit mga taga Malalayo, Norte, taga ibang lugar nagpapakasal din. Mga celebrity nagpapakasal din.
Carlos Cosa from Dasma, Cavite, turning 57. Kasi pang tries ko na pumunta rito. Kasi medyo solemn kasi dito eh. Nung una kasing pumunta kami dito, ito talaga chapel pa. Kasi iba na yun, nasa taas na yung pinaka-church. Tapos yung doon sa yung parang church sa hills. Maganda rin doon kasi napaka-solemn talaga niya. Kaya parang nakakaakit bumalik. Usually naman, pag sa simbahan, hindi ka naman nagbe-base sa nakikita mo sa yung nasa loob mo lang. Yung kung ano yung inilalapit mo. Ramdam mo naman yung kung kahit saan dito sulok. Parang ramdam mo naman na kaya mo mapipil mo yung wala kang mararamdamang panganib, gano'n. Saka sana matupad lahat yung hinihiling ko.
Whether you seek a moment of prayer, a place to reconnect with nature, or simply a retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, Calle Ruega Church in Nasugbu offers a sanctuary for the soul. This is Calle Ruega Church, close to nature, closer to God.
Sa akin kasi na-drawing ko siya. Parang, ito pala yung drawing ko.
Di ba mahaba yung aakyat eh. Nakakapagod. Tapos pagdating mo sa taas, ang ganda ng view.
Worth it naman yung pagod. Yes,
So,
ganda yung architecture.
yung madadapa ka nakaka-video ng view.
Closer to nature.
And?
Closer to God.